Hi there. This is my review of the SimplyVital Collagen, Retinol, and Hyaluronic Acid Cream. This is my second jar, so trust me, it's that good. Starting with the packaging, the box itself is sleek and informative, showing you exactly what you're getting on every side. Inside the box, you'll find the moisturizer jar, along with some documentations that explain how to use the product and what it is formulated to do. Right out the box, it already feels like a premium skincare product. The jar has a clean modern design, and one of the standout feature is the innovative press pump. It keeps things hygienic. No need to dip your fingers in, which means less contamination and longer product life. Once dispensed, the texture is light, smooth, and not sticky at all. It blends easily into the skin, and as you can see, a little really goes a long way. I use a little bit too much here. With its no fragrance, parabens, or silicone in its formula, it's gentle enough for both men and women, and great for daily use on the face and neck. Made in the USA with carefully chosen ingredients, it's a smart addition to any skincare routine, especially if you're after hydration, firmness, and a fresh glow.